Sometimes I meet people who are carrying a weight of discouragement. A sense of heaviness hovers over them, and at times they don't know why. Sometimes understanding brings light and shows us the way out of the darkness we feel. Proverbs 13:12 gives us an insight. Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but a desire fulfilled is a tree of life. It could be that your heavy heart stems from a sense of lost hope. You had a picture in your mind of how you thought things would work out for you and your family, yet the reality of your life is very different from that dream. This results in a loss of hope, and as the writer says, a sick heart. Are you experiencing a heavy heart? Perhaps the cause is disappearing dreams. Identify the hopes you have lost. Bring them to Christ in prayer and ask Him to show you the way forward to a more positive life and to put a new dream in your heart.